how to use Bitmoji stickers in Samsung keyboard on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down, then tap on General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After that, we scroll down and tap on Select Third-Party Content to use. In here, make sure you tap on Bitmoji to turn it on. And then we go and bring up the keyboard. So in my note here, I will bring up this keyboard. You can see at the top here, there is this icon. So tap on this sticker icon. Scroll across here and tap on this icon right here. That is the Bitmoji icon. Now, before you can go ahead and use Bitmoji, you need to sign in. Either sign in with your email address or a Snapchat account. So tap on it. Here, simply sign in. If you don't have an account, then you can sign up for one. After that, you can tap on the connect button, and this will connect Bitmoji to your keyboard. Now, if you haven't got a profile, you can create a Bitmoji profile, and then after that, once it is connected to your keyboard, you should be able to use it. So here, if I tap on the Bitmoji icon, you can see it will show my Bitmoji in here. So I can swipe across and select a style. Yes. You can also use the search function to search for the stickers. And that's it. So that is how you can use the Bitmoji stickers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.